Welcome to Java tutorials. So in this tutorials you will learn method overloading. So in this method overloading you will learn method overloading concept and method overloading examples and method overloading with different arguments int, float, char, etc. So in previous lesson you have learned OOPS concept, encapsulations, abstractions and inheritance. So this method overloading will comes under polymorphism. Polymorphism having two different methods. One is a method overloading, means two different types. Method overloading and method overriding. So in polymorphism class, I will give you each and every explanation about method overloading and method overriding, and we will also discuss construction overloading and construction overriding. So first of all, method overloading means which is a feature in Java which allows a class having more than one method. One class having more than one method. So with the name of same name. It is having same name but different argument list. We have this example here, class A having two methods, void add, but having different arguments, int A and int B, int A, int B and int C. So it is having different arguments. So at that time what happens, I am calling those objects A. So object at add 1 comma 2, so I am using int A and int B. Okay, so when adding the object at add 1 comma 2, at the time your add method, this is the second method, it is override by first method. So let me give you example in Eclipse so that you can understand very clearly. Let me create one simple class addition. We are having two methods, right? We have discussed. Add, we will enter int A comma int B. Let me run. So system.out.println. I'm using A plus B, right? So second one will come as public void add with same name. See, method name is same. And this I want to override B and C. So your system.out.println will display as plus C, right? So I want to create one more class to run addition. Addition class with public static void main. Here what I want to do, right? So I want to create one object under main method. This is the main method, public static void main, right? So addition A equal to new will come as addition. Now A dot add. So here it is showing two methods. I want to override one method. So addition. So 10 comma 20. See what happens? I'm overwriting this method with this method. So with a different argument. So if you run your script, run as Java application, it will display 30 is your answer. Why? Because I have used print system.out.println a plus b. So now I want to add this one. So automatically we are overriding those methods. So this method 10, 20 and 30, right? Let me run this once. It will give you the details. So where exactly method overloading you can use? Suppose I have two methods which is working different functionalities, right? So suppose I want to use for database and one for some form updates. So at that time what will happen, you will create one insert query, one create query, and like insert mean update query only. So you will create two methods, one for create and one for and update query. So in that one what you have to do, first of all you are creating the customer. Next what you want to do, you have to create the customer, then you have to update the customer. So then your method will be same. So based on the input parameters you are calling that method. So what we have, some customers for unit testing purpose you can use. One customer is doing only customer registration, at the time I will use only what are the methods, so what are the arguments I have required, only that method I will use. So in next loop what I want to do, some people are doing customer creation and updates, at that time I will use next method. So based on that condition you can use. So this is example of method overloading. So in your method overloading you will have a different parameters, different conditions. So what are the conditions? Suppose you are using int add, sorry, int add, you will use int I comma int k. Okay, this one. Now you want to use float add int I comma int k. So what will happen, this is a wrong one. Why? Because see, I'm using int I and int k, int I and int k, so both are same, but here your this one is different. What are the indications, variables what we are using, this one is different. So what will happen is the parameters, arguments, method or data members are same, so it will give you compilation error. See what will happen, I will give you the example. Let me take same example. So it will give you void. So let me add, so you need to add the return statement, same like you have to add. Okay, so what will happen here, so I'm using same. Let me delete this one, let me delete this one. Eh, here you are receiving error, rename method add. So you can't add these methods with same arguments which is using int or float data types. What are they using, different data types but different same method name and same data members. So it will give you the compilation error, rename the method. So you can't use this simple conditions, you have to understand. Okay, so suppose the next example will come as, if you have taken same with these conditions are different, float, see. So as per here it is different, you will not get any errors. So let me add, not seeing any errors, right? So return is not required here. So but return is required for a int, not for float. So here you will not facing any error. This is a valid condition. So in this way you have to use method overloading. This is a simple concept, right? If anyone is asking, so when compilation error will come in method overloading, you have to say when the methods are same, so these data types are different, and here data members are same for both the methods. At that time we will receive compilation error. Okay, that's it for method overloading. So in next lesson we will learn method overriding. So thank you.